Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips. Today I want to give you information all about the sanctuary on Princess cruise ships. So first of all, I would like to welcome all of our Let's Go family members here. Thank you so much for being here with us. And also welcome to all of you who are new. If there's anyone here who hasn't subscribed yet, we would invite you to subscribe. We have a wonderful Let's Go family here with a wealth of knowledge and willingness to help each other. And we also take you with you we take you with us whenever we get to go on a cruise, as well as keep you up to date with everything that I think is important to know if you like to cruise or think about cruising or go on a cruise or want to book a cruise. So now the sanctuary on Princess ships is usually on the bow of the ship. It's up at the top. On the Coral and the Island Princess, it is at the in the aft of the ship. And the Majestic Princess does not have what they call a sanctuary. They have the Hollywood Conservatory, which is very similar to a sanctuary, but it is a little bit different. And so let me tell you why we use the sanctuary and just some of the details. And then we'll add footage when I'm done talking to you to show you our whole experience on the Caribbean Princess that we were just barely on. And so first of all, we always like to use the sanctuary, especially when we are on a crowded ship in a warm climate. And so, for example, we used it on the Emerald Princess when we were in the Mediterranean in 2019, and it was just really nice. That ship happened to be like full to capacity. And so when you had like a sea day or an afternoon after you had been in port, the whole, like, all of the decks were packed. All of the loungers around all the pools were packed. And you know how they have like a level up from the pools, and then there's like places for lounge chairs, and even towards the front of the ship, even more space. It was just like full, and it's because everybody wanted to be out and enjoy that beautiful sun. And so the really nice thing about the sanctuary is it's up there, it is shaded, so you won't be in the direct sun, and it's quiet there. While there is, you know, sometimes it's really nice to be around the pool with all the music playing or up with the movies under the stars going. That's just, I love that. Sometimes it's fabulous, but sometimes it's really nice to just have it quiet. The staff who are in the sanctuary are so attentive. They are consistently asking you if you would like a cold cloth. Would you like some lemon water or some or citrus water or some cucumber water? Would you like any drink at all? When it's time for lunch, we always book it on in the afternoon of a sea day. We have never done a whole day just because even on a sea day, there's other things I usually want to do in the morning. And so we always do an afternoon on a sea day. And so they have a lunch menu like you will see in my video. And it is just, it's different than the menu is anywhere else on the ship. And it is just delightful. It's really delicious. They bring you whatever you want. There's a drinks menu also that you can order from, and if it's covered in your drink package, you don't have to pay for it. You should know that as you look at it. And it is just lovely. They have a lovely afternoon tea there, so at tea time in the afternoon you can have, you know, they have several kinds of tea to pick from, and also coffee. And if you want, you can just ask for another drink. I really like the plantation smoothies there. If you're looking for a new type of smoothie to try, it's really delicious. But they'll bring you whatever you want. And then they always have a lovely selection of like little pastries and cookies and little sandwiches cut into those nice little triangles like we think of, and just like lots of food like that to select from. And they just bring the tray around and you just point to whatever you would like, both of the sandwich type things and also of the treats. And then they also will come around with a tray with scones, or as my sweet British friend would say, scones. And then they have the jam and the clotted cream. So it is just lovely. And so it's just a lovely experience. In the morning it's 8 to noon, and in the afternoon it's noon to 4. And so we just thoroughly enjoy it. It's lovely to go read. The lounge chairs there are padded, and it's just comfortable. It's lovely. It's not crowded, and even when the sanctuary is full all the way, it's not crowded. And so you can either rent, reserve for yourself a lounge chair, and it's $20 a person for a half day, or $40 a person for a full day. And then they have these really cool cabanas that are, you know, have the sides on them and everything. That's what a cabana is, but it's $80 a day per person. And so the reason that you saw in my video about Embarkation Day, and if you haven't seen it, you might want to take a look at that for the Caribbean Princess Cruise we just went on to the Western Caribbean. Right when you get on the ship, if you want to be able to book out time in the sanctuary, you better go to the sanctuary first. And the reason for that is a couple of reasons. First of all, it is really popular, especially on your warm weather cruises, and it fills up really fast. And so you want to get there first, and when you go, you not only reserve to have a lounger there, you reserve the location. And so of course the best locations go first, and I say best. I like to be up by the windows so that you can see out, and so those, it seems, always go first, and then there are some seated on the interior. I would say the ones in the interior are lovely as well because it's very quiet, you still get the shade, it's worth it, I think. And so you want to go there for that. Now I will say that people who are on a back-to-back cruise can book that before the people who for that next part of the voyage get on the ship. And so just be aware that if you're on a back-to-back cruise and you want to use the sanctuary, get whatever you want booked before people from the next sailing get on board, okay? But so I'm also telling you that so that if you're the first person there to board the ship and some of the spots are already booked, that would be why, because the back-to-back people got it first. And so that's how that works. Another thing that I wanted to let you know about it is you can come and go as you want. It's noon to 4 for the afternoon, for example, but you can get there at whatever time you want, like between the noon and 4 window, and you can leave whenever you want. You can come and go whenever you want. It's right handy there to the retreat pool. And so if you want it, which is an adults only pool, so if you want to go there and go swimming and come back, you can just do whatever you would like. It's really very nice. And if you're there and you want food that's not on the menu, you can just go ahead and order it on your Medallion app like we're used to, and they'll bring it to you. So just because it's not on the menu like that they offer you in the sanctuary, don't think that you can't ask for it. If you want French fries, just order some French fries or whatever it is, and they'll bring it to you. And so I'm trying to think. If you have any questions about the sanctuary that I haven't answered, don't hesitate to tuck them in the question box below. I got an email from one of our Let's Go family members, and they are going to be going to Alaska, and we're wondering about viewing from the sanctuary on an Alaskan cruise for the Glacier Bay. And so if you've done that, will you comment on that below? I kind of didn't think of it as my first choice of a place to view Glacier Bay because they've got windows like the whole way, and so you're not out in the open at all if you want to take pictures or just see it with your own, well, you always see with your own eyes, but if you wanted to not have that window, there is the window the whole way, and it is open air, and so air does come in from outside as you go through the water, and so it's chilly, but I guess for the most part, wherever you view an Alaskan cruise, the glaciers and everything, it is a little chilly. But I just think that out on the open decks or on your balcony or on deck 7 on like the Crown Princess, one of the ships that has deck 7, I just think of those as maybe a nicer place. But surely you can do whatever you would like, and I just wanted to put that out there. So I hope you enjoy the footage. Like I said, if you have any questions when we're done, just tuck it in the comments. Oh, thank you. Okay, we're going to the sanctuary first. We want to get signed up, and we're taking Jeffrey with us. You just forget how much smaller these are than the Royal Class ships. But it's so beautiful. Look at that. If you want to know what the art is that they have this time. This way?
Yeah. It was 16.
We just got off the elevator on deck 16, so we
want to go up to the sanctuary.
Yeah. So then you just come outside. Okay, so when you come out from the elevator, go back. nice bar. So we went right through the gallery, got the elevator to 16, come right up, and here's the sanctuary. So we'll just wait right here. It's really nice. You come and then you can you sign up for where you want to sit in there. They have cabanas and regular chairs. See, this is the sanctuary.
Morning. Make a reservation? Yes, please.
So these are the ones we booked. These are part of the cabanas. These up here are part of the cabanas and they are already booked, he said. So we just got here and came right up and all the cabanas are already booked. And so you can get these or you can get the ones further to the side like we got. And so clearly some people beat us here, probably from the elite people, and then also probably easily could be that someone was on a back-to-back and already grabbed them. We will thoroughly enjoy those seats. They're really nice here. It's just getting us all signed up. So it's lovely, it's quiet, it's perfect. Here's nice. This is an adults only pool. It's the retreat pool or spa pool.
Your last your statement, please? Baja 418. Baja 418. Are you sure?
Are we here at the right? They moved our room, like right before we got on. They just assigned us to a different one, same kind of room. Yeah, so we kind of had another number memorized.
Baja 418, right? Yeah.
Yes. Oh, what a beautiful day to be here.
Yeah, lovely.
Thank you.
And it's not so windy. Yesterday it was
Very windy.
Have a seat.
Thanks.
And can I get you a cucumber water or citrus water?
Do you want anything to drink?
Citrus water would be delightful.
Thank you, that would be lovely. Thank you. And here's our view.
Beautiful, isn't it?
It is beautiful. In a little while they have tea time. They bring you lovely little treats and real food. It's just lovely. This is our view from the sanctuary. They brought us the menus. I'll show you the menus. They just bring it like this now in a plastic thing so that they can wipe it down. And we'll have the menus up on our website. So it's not crowded here at all. When we made our reservation, they said these were booked. You can come and go as you please the whole time. And it's just a beautiful view. Over, I don't know if you can see, but where there's land over there, that is Cuba.
20 miles away.
It's 20 miles away. We're just having a lovely time. Let me show you from the top. So you get shade, you get a lovely breeze, and it's just lovely. Right when we got here, he asked what we would like, if we would like some citrus water or cucumber water. So we asked for citrus water since that's what we like the most. And there's a couple of people over in the middle section, but one gentleman far down this way. But it is just not crowded at all. So just wanted to give you an idea. And I would add that all the food is included, and then if you want to order a drink and that kind of drink is covered in your drink package, then it doesn't cost. But just wanted to show you.
So we are in the sanctuary this afternoon. I've got a fetash chicken salad. These are honey roasted almonds. And this is shrimp, grilled shrimp.
With white beans.
With white beans, yes. This is our plantation smoothie with raspberry and orange and
pineapple, I think.
pineapple, yes. Just wow.
And I got the tomato guts
Got it?
gazpacho, and it is so delicious. I had a taste, and it is absolutely out of this world. So we just wanted to show you what we got. I'll be back. How beautiful it is today. And there's like nobody here.
Do you remember? And it was up a slope, like standing slope above the view.
Hi. We're back. Thank you. Thank you so very much for watching our videos. If you appreciate it, would you please give it a thumbs up? And I'll be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.